What's going on, guys? We're back with another flip. Take a look at what we got today. We got a Toyota Camry. Again, I don't know what's with all these Toyota Camrys that I've been getting lately, but man, they are good, reliable, they sell fast. That's one thing that I do love about Toyotas, Hondas. They sell extremely fast. Even these older ones, guys, they sell really, really good. But today, again, we got this beautiful Toyota Camry. Guys, this car was a really, really good deal that I found, again, Facebook Marketplace. The person who owned it was an older lady. She actually owned it for almost its entire life. So guys, this car is in mint condition. The interior, mint. The only thing that I have to do to this car is literally body work and just one valve cover gasket. But guys, this should be an easy one, and we're going to try to get it done this week. So you guys already know, let's get this money. And before we begin, you guys already know, I need to give you a little tour of the car. So let's go inside. Let me show you guys the interior. It is really clean. That mat, I put it there just because it's raining outside and I do not want to get mud on the floors. So yeah, that's the original format right there. The only imperfection, honestly, that I saw in this car is that hole right there, which I am going to try to patch if I can. If not, I'm just going to leave it. But yeah, guys, the interior, it is really, really clean. Really, really clean. The sunroof, everything on this car, it's really, really good. Let's take a look at the other side. I don't know why it locked. Check it out, guys. Look at the interior. It is extremely clean. I don't even have to do anything to this car, cleaning it wise. But again, that's the interior. Look at the whole car, guys. It is complete. The only body work is this right here. That's the only thing that I have to do. So I am going to paint the quarter and I am going to blend it to the door. But that is all. So you guys already know. Let's get working and let's get this car ready for sale. Check it out, guys. We're almost done with this bad boy. I just need to primer it, and then tomorrow I'll paint it and we'll be ready to go. But yeah, we just knocked this out real fast, so let's get this money. Let's keep going with this. Remember, safety first. Alright guys, we just hit the primer with 400. So now I am going to wet sand both of the panels with 800, and then after we'll hit it with some red scuff, and we'll be good to mask it and paint it. So let's go. We got the car done. It's already wet sanded. I dried it already. So right now it's pretty much ready to be masked. And yeah, it's ready to go. So let's go. Remember, safety first. Let's do this. All right, last one, last coat. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna shoot the clear now. Let's go. All right, second coat should be it. Let's do it. And now for my absolutely favorite part, the headlights, guys. We're going to make them look brand new. Check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Man, I think they came out crazy. Yo, that legit looks like a brand new headlight. That looks freaking awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. So let's get to it. And just like that, the front end looks so much better. Wow, look at that, guys. All right, guys, now we're going to do the valve cover gasket. I'm already working on it, but this is a pretty simple valve cover gasket to do. So we're just going to have to take the coils and pretty simple. So let's get to it. We got the valve cover off. We're going to have to clean all of that right there, all that gunk. All right, pretty simple. So we got the valve cover back together. Now we're going to torque them down and be done with it, guys. So let's go. Just like that, we're done. Tomorrow we're gonna clean all of that gunk right there. We're gonna use some nice degreaser. We're gonna get all this gunk out of here because, guys, that valve cover was leaking horribly. So yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow, clean that up, and we should be good to go. Let's go. So we got the engine cleaned out. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot better compared to how it looked before. All we used was just some degreaser, and we scrubbed it down a little bit. And this is how it looks, guys. I think it looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Let me know. I wanna put this on the video. I wasn't going to, but I just thought it was freaking awesome and hilarious. Look how dirty this cabin air filter is. It's from the Camry. It is extremely, look at that. What the heck? All right, I'm going to show you what a clean cabin filter looks like now. Give me 1 second. This is a clean cabin air filter and not
A clean cabin air filter. What is wrong with people never changing their cabin air filters? It is absolutely wild to me. But let's put it in and let's be done with this car. Alright guys, we got the car done. We washed it. It's clean inside. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now all we gotta do is go take some pictures of this bad boy and call it a day. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's go.